Yeah.
So this guy's got a pretty nasty driveline vibration. Probably has a lot to do with the height of the truck, but let's get some weight in it. Let's load it up.
Yeah.
And give it a run down the street up to about 30. See if we'll get it to vibrate. Go from there.
Wow, this truck is nice.
Let's get it out on the street and we'll get it level on level ground here and we'll see if we can get the drive shaft to act up.
I guess the driveline vibration's gonna have to wait.
Yep. Oh, here he comes. Oh, he loves his job too. Check him out.
Dude, why are you guys running from me? It's me.
Oh my god.
We thought you were the cops, man.
I'm not the cops. I'm trying to show you guys this car that we're giving away to the veteran.
Oh, that's the giveaway car?
Yeah, dude.
Oh,
let's
let's
go
check it out.
Woo-wee.
Look at that thing, man. 2005.
Wow.
Fit,
Woo!
P71 police interceptor.
Is this a detective's car?
Boy, the
Yeah.
back of that sucker looks familiar, doesn't it?
Dude, this is a clean car.
Wow, beautiful. This is really gonna, so this is what we're giving to the veteran that is gonna help other veterans.
Yep, absolutely.
Awesome, on the 4th of July at City Tavern.
This is just how we got it?
That's exactly how we got it, just like this.
Needs a little love, don't you think? It's a
but
little rough.
I don't know about these wheels, man. It doesn't look like something we wanna.
I kind of thought about some stuff, and I think I got a pretty good idea for it.
Show me what you're thinking.